Hello there. In this RadarOpus tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change the default font size and font type. So when you have the program open in RadarOpus, all you need to do is click on Tools, scroll down and click on Options, and then this new window will appear. Now, because the font size and the font type are part of the user interface, we want to click on the Interface tab. And below we will see the options below. The default font for documents and the default font size. So let's say we want to change it. I don't know about you, but my favorite is Georgia. So I just click on the font default font for documents tab, the drop down menu, and I just put in a G, which will now take me to all of the G's. I'm then going to click on Georgia. And let's say I want to increase the size. 10's a little bit small for me. I'd rather have something maybe around the size of like 12 or 13. I can go ahead and just bump up. How about let's do 13, lucky number 13. And perfect, I want it set at Georgia. Perfect, I want it at a 13 font size. I'm going to go ahead and click close. And then you're going to get a notification that says that these changes will not be applied until the next time that you start RadarOpus. So what you need to do is click OK. Close out of RadarOpus, and then if you hit that, just hit the backup for now, and then we're going to open up the program again. Now that my program is open, I can see that the font size has changed. It's a bit bigger, and I can also see that it is now no longer Verdana, it is now Georgia. So thanks for joining in this RadarOpus tutorial, and have at it. Go ahead and change your font size and font type to whatever suits you best. Have a good day.